Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to download or install the Fitness GM Workout Log application on your mobile device. For this, what you need to do is, guys, just open up your App Store or your Play Store. Bring up the search bar and type in Fitness GM Workout Log and hit the search bar. Now, over here, you can see the Fitnotes GM Workout application on your screen. Just click on that application. Now, from here, you can install this application by clicking on the Install button. It might take a while to install depending upon your internet connection. Wait for it. See, the application has been installed. Now, guys, stay motivated, track progress, and cross your fitness goals with the Fitnotes GM Workout Log application. That's all for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.